On a daily basis, people would ask me this question: Troy, how much is it for a ton of construction steel in Jamaica today? So in this video, I will share with you information and pricing. How much is it for a ton of half-inch corrugated steel? If you're new here, do remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. So,
125 lengths.
in construction, building construction, we use half-inch corrugated steel for wall bars, column, slab, and all different positions of your building. So in 2021, about October, a ton of half-inch corrugated steel is 150,000. So you might get it someplace a little less and someplace a little more. So 150,000 Jamaican dollars for 1 ton of half-inch corrugated steel. So that's the latest price up to the time I do this video. So do remember, when you're making your house, whatever you're doing construction, the rebar, wall bar, whatever describe it best for you, is a must. So the half-inch corrugated steel, wall bar or rebar, it is very flexible and unique in building construction. It is used to do your wall bars for the laying of the blocks. It's also used to make steel cage for your columns, and it serves many purposes on the building construction site. So below this video I will leave some more information and telephone number where you can call and get more information and up-to-date price and steel for your building construction. So I hope these information serve or find you best. I try to give as much information as I can. So this is the latest update I have. 150,000 Jamaican dollars for a ton of half-inch corrugated steel. Some of you may know it as wall bar or rebar, same thing. So this is my steel information, and I will give some more information about cement and building blocks, cylinder blocks. So you can look out for my next video with these up-to-date information. So thank you for watching this video. You can sit back and see through the rest of the video, but this is the information I have to give now. And do remember, if you think this video was information or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more video like this. 150,000 Jamaican dollars for 1 ton of half-inch corrugated steel. So that's the latest information I have on steel, and this information was done up to October 2021. So hope you find this information important and interested. So remember to look out for my other videos. 125 length of steel come in 1 ton of half-inch corrugated steel. So when you buy 1 ton of half-inch corrugated steel, you get 125 lengths of steel. However, the internet is saying 129 length comes in the 1 ton of half-inch corrugated steel. So what I buy is what I get, 125 length. So I don't know which is correct. What I guess a ton is a ton. So whatever it weighs, that's the amount of come in it. So I'm just giving some information here. When you buy 1 ton of half-inch corrugated steel, you will get 125 length of half-inch corrugated steel. So if these information are interested or serve you well, please leave a like, leave a comment, and remember to press the notification bell to see more videos like this. And you can get 5/8 steel by the ton as well, and 1-inch steel. So for different building codes, you use different size steel. So I'm giving most of the information and the half-inch corrugated steel, but for commercial building and some other purpose, they use 5/8 corrugated steel, 1-inch corrugated steel. So for building construction, you have various type of steel, but I'm mainly talking about half-inch corrugated steel, which carry 125 lengths of steel in the ton. And as I say before, at this time it is 150,000 for a ton of this steel. So see you in my next video. Look out for cement and building block videos.
Come on, man. Come on.